In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to an image in WordPress. Let's start inside your WordPress dashboard. Open the site editor and load your home template so you're looking at the page where your image sits. Once the editor is open, click directly on the image you want to make clickable. You should see the image's toolbar appear above it and the settings panel on the right. If you don't see the settings panel, just make sure the image itself is selected, not the section around it. Next, open the link controls for the image. You can use the small link icon in the floating toolbar or the link section in the right sidebar. Either one brings up your linking choices. First, choose Link to Image File. This option makes the image open its original media file when clicked, which is useful if you want visitors to view the full-size version. Open the link options again and choose Link to Attachment Page. An attachment page is a WordPress-generated page that displays your image along with its title and any caption or metadata. This is handy if you want a simple page dedicated to that image without designing one from scratch. Open the options once more to get ready for a custom destination. While you're here, turn on the setting called Scale the Image with a Lightbox effect. With that enabled, clicking the image will expand it nicely in an overlay, keeping visitors on the same page. It's a clean way to let people see more detail without navigating away. Now click the link button in the image toolbar and place your cursor in the URL field. Start typing the destination you want to use. For example, enter youtube.com. WordPress will suggest matches as you type, so when you see the correct suggestion appear, click it to confirm. You'll notice the field updates, and the link is now attached to the image. When you're satisfied, save your work. Use the Save button in the top corner and confirm the changes so the link is stored with your template. Finally, launch or apply the update so it goes live on your site. After publishing, visit the front end and click the image to make sure it behaves exactly as you expect, opening the media file, the attachment page, or your custom URL, and using the Lightbox if you enabled it. That's it. You've successfully added a link to an image in WordPress.